So very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. So right now why we are here? We are here for a group discussion on topic corruption. What is the meaning of corruption? What is the Hindi meaning of corruption? Bhrashtachar. Okay. So I am with Ayush, Harsh and Divyansh, Yasraj, Ishika and Aradhya. Okay. So these six students will present words on topic corruption. Okay. Right now we will start this video or this group discussion. So hope you are doing well and you will watch this video completely. Okay. Next, who will initiate? Okay, Aradhya, you will initiate. What is the meaning of corruption?
So corruption means the ongoing conditions in such political parties, and also we can say in political parties are just corrupted and they just have so much power to control everyone, so they are just blackmailing the police officers. They are telling them to work on the basis of the things what they want to say, and this is very wrong. So that's why police officers are also not able to do their work properly. So the
Corruption means greeding for money and do illegal work. Corruption refer to immoral behavior. Some people employ gain for her benefits.
So, as I agree with both of the girls, as they set out the political powers that they are doing, the blackmailing the pupils, and when doing wrong things with the pupils, as this is about as it is illegal in the constitution that they are doing. As we know, the Hindi meaning of corruption is bhrashtachar. Why people call it bhrashtachar in Hindi? Because it shows that the thing is going bad, as that we know that sometimes ago some parties were giving money to pupils to vote them. That is also called corruption. The corruption also corrupt the party, that what they are doing that. So, and also like example, but I will not behaving bad with them, as King Jong of South Korea, right, sir? South Korea also treat bad with their pupil and with their servant, as he make rules with their servants and with their pupil, as if the pupil do anything they will be killed, as is also called bhrashtachar. Thank you.
Yes.
Sir, is not bhrashtachar?
Yes. Please pass the mic.
Corruption is very
You told about the Kim Jong Un, the king of the North Korea. Okay. Okay. North Korea. Okay. So you told in a wrong way, or this is not an example of corruption. What is the meaning of corruption? If you are doing something is in corrupt way, means you are doing bribe for means legal work. Just like bribe is illegal. Rishwat means you can do means whenever you go to the means any government offices right now. Okay, just I am giving an example. So they are some employees and they are some other peons and all. They just tell you means we will do your work within 4 days or within some hour or some time. Okay, but if you do on regular basis work, so it will take a long time. So they just want money in the indirectly. Okay, so this is the form of corruption. Okay, just I am a teacher. Okay, I am not a school teacher and any kind of other teachers. I am tutoring English speaking. So if I want to get an admission, is there any process of admission like English speaking classes? Means just I fix the fees. Okay, and there is any other person who told my name, actually I will I will get admission on Sambhav sir classes. So if that person will take money from you, so this is the kind of corruption. Actually I am not require, government is not require corruption. Just you have an example of railway, traffic police, there are lots of an example. Ayush, you can take your seat. Shrey, please join us. Yes.
corruption is corruption is very bad problem in and it's spread all over the world. And there are many kind of people. They do video call to another and they make a sketch and they hack his ID and they tell I share your personal thing with another. So it is corruption and they need.
Hers, you are also means telling about a wrong. This is not an corruption. Okay. Yes, Divyans. Harsh, you can take your seat. Harshit Agrawal, please join us.
Good evening, everyone. Today group discussion topic is corruption. So I think corruption is a poison that spreads in the all wrong pupils of the society, country, and all states, and it is not a good for all pupils, and its problem faced today's time also in the all countries. That's all.
So, according to me, corruption is that thing that that many people do the corruption, like they are doing illegal thing or corrupted thing, and any police officer or any officer is taking black money from another person, or and any person is doing any illegal work in the society. That's all.
Next. Shrey.
As per me, corruption is very dangerous thing for our society because it is spreading continuously on daily basis and government taking strict action against it. But the pupils are not doing this in well way, but they are doing continuously without any stopping. And that is why corruption is in crime and everyone should fight against it. The main sources of corruptions are like traffic police, dowries, and also a corruption, and many policemen, trap, many more. Thank you.
Next.
As Shri said, I'm fully agree with Shri. Shri said that government have to take a strict action on this. Corruptions is a very big problem. It's continuously spreading, and we see that so many pupils take bribery. It's also the part of corruptions. They just want to speed up their work. They don't think that it's a crime. They will arrest by the police. They don't think this. So we don't do corruption.
I am fully agree with Shri Vaya and Harshit Agrawal that he said that that the government should have to take a decision and action on the corruption. Corruption is very bad thing, and it is spreading everywhere and taking place everywhere, and many people have to do something against the corruption.
In my opinion, corruption is that we are using our post for our benefit, and but it is if we are doing corruption, so it decreases our economy of our country.
So the main cause of corruption is the greediness of the people. So we don't become greedy because we always become honest person. And as Harshit said, it's directly affect on our country's economy, and we don't take any type of bravery to anyone because it's crime. If police captured us, so they give us a hard punishment.
There are also some countries having least corruption, just like Sweden, Canada, Australia, and in India, I think in my words, 62% of our officer and politicians are corrupted.
Yes, I am agree with the Harshit point. He is saying right because the main cause of corruption is the politician. He is giving and taking money from the other political party or other political members, and there are also many sources which is like if we see any traffic police, so if anyone do thank you.
And to to uh, to disappear the corruption, anti-corruption day celebrated on 9th December in every year. On this day, people spread awareness about the corruption, that we don't do this because it's very dangerous for us.
Yes, I agree with Harshit that he said that the anti-corruption day is celebrated on 19th June, 9 December, sorry, it's my fault. And also if we spread awareness in the people, so our automatically our corrupted politicians and officer will take the responsibility and honesty. And
we want to out the corruption and and government said the corruption is a the corruption is illegal and every people do corruption in landless labor and and traffic police like etc.
So in ancient time also, uh, when the Mughal Empire was there, so we can say that there was many kings which were very good and they were not corrupted. But some of the kings were like that they have power and they have much money, so they are just annoying their kingdom people, and they are just say, they are just giving them punishment without any reason.
Corruption often means corruption often means dishonesty and misuse of power that allow an undue to benefit for some people. Uh, I am with I am agree with Harshit and Ishika Soni. That Harshit said that and the corruption also affect our India's economy, and Ishika Soni that says that uh, in sorry, Aradhya said that in ancient time the Britishers or many people punish punish other people for for no reason, and this is also called a corruption.
if we want to decrease the corruption, so first we have to honest and responsible to our work. And if someone is doing corrupt, if someone is corrupt, so the officers who are honest giving punishment and penalty to them.
Like we see in elections, most of the politicians give bravery for vote, so they don't do this. If they want to vote, so they have to do they have to do work properly, and they have to agree by the people's desires.
I am agree with Harshit, and I have also a good example of a NEET exam that some people have some people expose the paper of NEET, and it is also a corruption.
Yes, I am fully agree with Harshit Yadav that he said in the education line, in the in the huge papers, most of the students give bravery to for papers, so they don't do this. They have to good prepare for the exams. They don't give any type of bravery to for papers. That's all.
And there is a one main cause of corruption is the education. Like if we go on very high school, like our DPS, our um, ITM Global, DPPS, and many more. What happened? There is a only minimum seats which are already booked. If we want to take, so there are many pupils are doing corruption to giving some corruption to the head of the school.
Yes, but now the government had declared the law that if someone expose the paper, so he got jail for 10 year, and he pay 10 lakh rupees also.
Uh, I am with I am agree with Harshit Agrawal. He said that in huge papers many students give money to other person, and and they leak the paper for the students, and the students are cheating in the exam. This is a corruption, and students should be candid. That's all.
In present time, we can see like policemen arrest the terrorist with their illegal weapons. So the other member of terrorist tried to leave there. So the policemen demanded to some black money, and so the terrorist also gave. So this is also a corruption.
I am agree with Harshad Yadav's point that he said government try to decrease the corruption because it's become a very big problem of India, and it is spreading more and more, and I want to say that the government expose a law that if a people take or give bravery, so they got 10 years jail.
The corruption is spreading in India. Almost 99% people are doing corruption, and and the and we out the correction we out the corruption, and we live freely, and thank you.
So corruption is a very bad thing. So we should not do corruption. We should be a honest person and not a corrupt person. And in my words, if we want to decrease the corruption, so we have the proper laws, honesty, ability, responsibility, and so in this way, we corruption will automatically decreased.
Yes, I am agree with Harsh's points that he said if we want to decrease the corruption, so we have to become first honest, then responsible, then we don't give money to anyone as a bravery, because it's a very big crime. And if we are honest, so why we do crime?
according to we can decrease the corruption by we should not be greedy, and we should be candid and honest, and we should not give any person bravery, and not take bravery to other person, and that's how we can decrease the corruption. Corruption is very bad thing, uh, as commonly seen the powerful person do corrupt with any person, which allow them certain advantages.
In conclusion, I want to say that if we want to decrease corruption, so we have to become responsible and don't become greedy, and we become honest, and we don't give any type of money as bravery to anyone, and we don't do any type of gambling, and don't use of money for wrong way. So 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 please like, comment and share, and please comment your advice on corruption. Thank you.